Hi all, this is Jimmy from Free Now for Business, giving you a super quick run through of the admin panel and the features you get with a premium service. So to access the admin panel, simply go to free-now.com, click the business page, and then simply click login in the top right hand corner. Now you should be logged straight in, however it may ask for an email address and password. If you forgot your password, don't worry, you can request a reset password link simply by clicking below. Once in the admin panel, you'll get the overview dashboard, which will tell you the number of staff on the account, your trips for the month and what cost centres are being used, as well as your previous month's spend, and a distribution of cost showing you the busy times of day and busy days of week. Now I know there's probably been a number of changes over the last 13 months, so it's super easy to remove anyone from the account or invite new members of staff on. You've got 3 roles. The first is passenger, who will have access to the app and only the app. You've then got booker, which is ideal for your EAs, PAs, reception staff, who can use the online booker and book taxis for any staff on the account or even guests. And then finally there's admins, who basically get access to everything. Now it's really easy to change a role, simply click and then change as need be. You can invite new members of staff simply by clicking the Invite Employee button at the top of the page, entering an email address, their role and any cost centres that are needed, and then just simply clicking Invite. They will then get a nice email saying congratulations, you've been invited to join the business account. They simply need to click Register Now and complete a few details including their name, email address, mobile number, and then create a password, and they're good to go on the account. In terms of reporting, we've got 3 ways in which you can report. You've got cost centres, which are preloaded into the account, and again can easily be added or removed as need be. Simply highlight to delete or click Add Cost Centre in the top right hand corner. Likewise with travel reasons. Now everything is done in real time, so as soon as the journey's been finished, it will appear in the trips section. You can change dates simply by clicking on the calendar and it will change for you. If you need to look at any jobs, simply click on the journey. It will give you the person's name, the pickup time and drop-off time, as well as any cost centres or references that have been used. You can also download individual journey invoices by clicking the Download PDF button. And then finally, to download in Excel format, simply go Download Trip History in Excel format or CSV, and this will give you the detailed journey breakdown. Now this is fully customizable. Simply get in contact if you need us to change any of the fields depending on your requirements. Going back to the admin panel, you can download all your previous invoices and see the spend and the number of journeys that have been taken. Now a new feature is our travel policies feature, and this can create restrictions on usage of the account, including time and date, vehicle type, so this could be black cab or PHV only, or using only electric capable vehicles. Likewise, you can choose any payment methods that can be used and also location. Now please get in contact if you need us to set any of these up for you, and we'd be more than happy to help. And then finally you've got basic account information, including the name on the account and any addresses. You can change settings, including entering a reference or cost centre as a mandatory requirement before a taxi can be booked. Likewise, for anyone on multi-card or central card, you can choose what accounts can be used in what markets. And then finally, if you need to book a Free Now taxi for a member of staff, you can access the web booker simply by clicking Book a Free Now vehicle, and it will come up with your web booker and all the details preloaded. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact. Thanks, have a good day.